Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a light and fluffy cotton soft coconut pudding. It's also sugar-free as well because I'm using monk fruit sweetener, but you can choose to use white sugar instead. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Coconut milk is available in most grocery stores. Separate eggs. We are only using the egg whites. Measure water, weight monk fruit sweetener and gelatin. Mix together. Beat egg whites at high speed until firm peaks. Like this. Boil water until 85 degrees Celsius. Turn off heat and pour the gelatin mixture into the water and stir well. Turn back heat on to the lowest and keep the temperature of mixture to 80 degrees Celsius. Pour the gelatin water from the side of the mixing bowl gradually while keeping the mixer on at high speed to sterilize the egg whites without cooking it. Beat at high speed for about 2 minutes until mixture becomes less runny. Texture should be like this. Turn to beat at medium speed now and pour the coconut milk in from the side. Beat for about 5 minutes. Rinse the container with cold water. Prepare the ice cubes. After beating, turn off the machine and put the ice cubes in. Whisk the mixture by hand first to avoid spilling. Then turn on the machine to the lowest to stir to thicken the mixture by lowering the temperature using the ice cubes. Do not overbeat. Thickness of the mixture should be like this. Pour the mixture into the container. Smooth the top. Refrigerate for 6 hours or overnight to set. Release the pudding from container by gently pulling the pudding away from the edge. Gently run a spatula around the edge. Cover the pudding with plastic, then flip it over. Remove the container. See, the pudding is soft and jiggly. Cut into small pieces. Serve on plate. The yummy cotton soft coconut pudding is now ready to serve. Enjoy!